अस्सलामुअलैकुम स्टूडेंट। शिवड़ी क्रॉस रोड लोअर प्राइमरी की स्टैंडर्ड 4th की ई लर्निंग क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। टुडेज आवर टॉपिक इज इन द पार्क, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Come on, little friends. It's time to go back home. Come here and let me count. There should be 9 children in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Where's the 9th child? Let me see again. Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Upply, Ricky, Vicky, Gotu, Chotu. Then who is missing? Oh, I'm so worried. Auntie, please count and tell us how many we are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You are 9 in all.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. So the naughty child has come back. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. What? 8 again? Someone is missing again. Uncle, please help us. Please count and tell us how many we are.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I see 9 children in all.
That's all right then. Come on. Isha, Nisha, Bubbly, Upply, Ricky, Vicky, Gotu, Chotu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What? This is too much. The 9th child is missing again. What a naughty child. Hello everybody. Coming back home? Let's go together. Didi, there's a problem. One of us is missing. First, we were 9. Now, we are only 8. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. But you are 9. No one is missing. So, that naughty child has come back again. When I count, this naughty child runs away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? Yes, I see. And I also see one more child who forgets to count himself. Oh no! How silly of me!
So let's see our homework. Today's homework. आपका होमवर्क है मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू सी इन द गार्डन। हमने पार्क में जो जो चीज़ें देखी हैं उसकी लिस्ट बनानी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।